Perform error-free crypto transfers using the world's first in-chat feature. Now you can transfer cryptos easily without using any complex addresses. To know how, let's watch this video. Click on the chat option. You are now on the chat window. Here you can see the list of existing users. If you want to transfer cryptos to any of these users, click on that username and start chatting. In case you want to search for a user, click on search icon. Enter the username and search for it. Tap on the username from the list shown below. Now, this will open the chat window where you can chat with the user and transfer cryptos. To send cryptos, tap on the arrow button. Click on Request button. Now you can see the list of cryptocurrencies that you can send. Select the crypto and enter the amount. Your crypto request is sent successfully. Once the sender approves your request, you will receive the cryptos and request status will change from pending to approved. To send cryptos, tap on the arrow button and select Send Crypto option. Now you can see the list of cryptocurrencies that you can send. Select the crypto and enter the amount. Now click on the Send button and your cryptos will be sent successfully. This way you can send crypto while chatting. So that's how AnCrypto chat feature can help you with the easy crypto transfer without using any complex addresses. Thanks for choosing AnCrypto.